The IELTS reading test lasts for 60 minutes. And unlike the listening test, which is the first test, you're not given time at the end to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. So you must put your answers on the answer sheet immediately. There are a total of 40 questions, just like on the IELTS listening test. And for each question you get right, you're given 1 point. You start off with 0 points, and you move your way up to 40. On the academic module of the test, you're going to read 3 passages. And these passages are taken from journals, newspapers, magazines, and books of an academic nature. On the IELTS general test for reading, you're again given 3 different texts that you need to read. Something very general, reading a train schedule, or looking at the airport to find out when your flight leaves. The second passage is something you would encounter in a workplace situation. So reading a memo, getting information from that. The third part is something broader, if you will. It's being able to understand the meaning of a newspaper article, or being able to understand the meaning of something that you've just read from a magazine.